In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a sales CRM in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system to track contacts, deals, and follow-ups in one organized place. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. Head to clickup.com, log in, and you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your central hub where projects, tasks, and lists live. If it looks empty, that's perfectly fine. Think of it as a blank canvas we're about to turn into a focused CRM. Next, create a dedicated space for your CRM. In the left sidebar, click the option to add a new space and give it a clear name like CRM or Sales CRM. Keeping sales data in its own space separates it from marketing, development, or operations work, which makes it easier to stay organized and avoid clutter. Rather than building everything from scratch, use the template library. Choose Use Template or open the Template Center, search for CRM, and select the Sales CRM template or a similar option. This typically includes contacts or leads, deals, and tasks or activities, along with pre-built statuses and custom fields for client and deal details. It's a great head start that reflects common sales workflows. When prompted, apply the template to the space you just created. Click Use Template and give it a moment to set up folders, lists, views, and custom fields. Don't close the window while it's working. Let ClickUp finish the configuration. Once it loads, review the structure. You'll see sections for contacts or leads to store prospect information, deals to track opportunities and pipeline stages, and tasks or activities or follow-up to plan calls, messages, proposals, and reminders. You'll also notice statuses like new, qualified, proposal sent, won, and lost, plus custom fields such as company, deal value, close date, and lead source, so your data stays consistent. Now begin adding your data. In contacts or leads, enter each client or prospect, filling in key details and any relevant custom fields. When a lead qualifies, head to Deals, create a new deal, link it to the contact, choose the appropriate stage, and keep it updated as things progress. In tasks or activities, add follow-ups, like sending a proposal or checking in after a demo. Assign them, set due dates, and mark them complete. To stay on top of performance, explore reports or dashboards. Review total pipeline value, deals by stage, and expected revenue. If automations are available, set rules that move a deal when a key task is done, send reminders before follow-ups slip, or notify you when a high-value deal advances. Over time, tailor the CRM to your process. Adjust deal stages, refine custom fields, and switch views between list, board, calendar, or Gantt for clarity. Clean up or rename lists, tags, and filters so they match your team's language. Make this space your single source of truth. Track every lead and customer, replace scattered notes, monitor your pipeline, and always know what's next. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.